Hello children, welcome to AIMS India online classes. Biology session, respiration in organisms. So we have completed the lesson, and in the last class we discussed about the respiration in frog, that is cutaneous respiration through skin. And the frog is an amphibian, it respires both with skin and lungs. When it is on land it respires through lungs, and when it is in water it respires through skin. And aquatic respiration also we have discussed, that is branchial respiration in the fish. Next we studied about the respiration in plants. Okay, the different organs which involve in the respiration in plants. Stomata, what are they? Stomata, lenticels and root hairs. And cellular respiration in plants and animals. The common step, that is the glycolysis, common step in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. What is glycolysis? The process of breaking down of glucose into two molecules of pyruvic acid is called glycolysis. Where does it occur? It occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, it is also called EMP pathway, means Embedden, Meyerhoff and Paranos pathway. Okay, we studied in detail about the glycolysis also. So let us go for assessment 1, which include level 1 questions. Very simple. Assessment 1, level 1. Breathing is physical process, chemical process, cellular process, all of these. So breathing is a which process? Physical process. It occurs in two stages. What are they? Inspiration and expiration. Inhale, exhale. So it is a physical process. Voice box is called voice box. So pharynx, stomata, larynx, all of these. Larynx is called voice box. So why it is called voice box? Because larynx possesses vocal cords which vibrate when we inhale and expel. When we inhale and exhale, the air, moving air, will vibrate the larynx, so which will produce the sound. Okay. Which of these organisms show anaerobic respiration? Salamander, yeast, frog, cockroach. So salamander, cutaneous respiration, is an amphibian. Frog, an amphibian, cutaneous and pulmonary respiration. Cockroach, tracheal respiration. So here the yeast undergo anaerobic respiration. What is that anaerobic respiration by yeast called? Alcoholic fermentation. Okay. Next, what is the main product of anaerobic respiration? Here the question, main product is asked. So carbon dioxide, lactic acid, acetic acid, ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol is the main product of anaerobic respiration. Vocal cords occur in pharynx, glottis, bronchial tube, larynx. Vocal cords present in the sound producing organ. What is the sound producing organ? Larynx. During exhalation, the ribs, how the ribs position? Move down and inwards, move upwards, move outwards. Do not move at all. So they move upwards. Okay, during exhalation, chest contracts. Okay, so move upwards. Next, the cockroaches air enter body through lungs, gills, spiracles, skin. Spiracles. Spiracles are present on the sides of the body wall. They act like valves, regulate the entry of air and exit of air. So spiracles. The air tubes in insects are called bronchus, trachea, nostrils, bronchioles. So trachea are the air tubes. Gills are for, what is the purpose of gills? Tracheal respiration, aquatic respiration, pulmonary respiration, all types of respiration. So gills are present in the fishes, so aquatic animals, so it is an aquatic respiration. The method of respiration in unicellular animal: diffusion, osmosis, decomposition, none of the above. So it is a diffusion, a physical process by which exchange of gases takes place in unicellular animals. Example: amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Okay, even in the bacteria also. In the process of respiration, what happens? Oxygen is used, glucose is broken down, and the energy is released. All of these. Okay, all of these. Oxygen is used, glucose is broken down, energy is released. All of them. Which of these is usually oxidized during respiration? Fat, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins. So here usually is mentioned, means generally carbohydrates in the form of glucose. Glucose is the simplest substrate involved in the respiration, production of energy. Which gas is necessary for aerobic respiration? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. It is the oxygen. So that's why aerobic respiration is also called as bio-oxidation, biological oxidation. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in the exhaled air? So actually usually the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 0.03% like that. In the exhaled air 4.4%, because more CO2 is produced during expiration. What is the sequence of air passages during inhalation? Means you should have an idea of the respiratory system, human respiratory system. So here the sequences are given: nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, alveoli. These are all the parts of respiratory system. Okay, here the option D represent the correct sequence. External air from the nostrils enter into the pharynx, then larynx, then trachea opens into alveoli. Next, the end products of respiration are carbon dioxide, water, energy. Yes, all of these. What is the equation representing the respiration? C6H12O6 gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. So carbon dioxide, water and energy. Name the muscular sheet which separate the abdomen from the chest cavity. So it is the diaphragm. The respiratory organ in the fish is, what is the respiratory organ in fish? Gills. So level 1 direct questions are there. Movement of which of these facilitate breathing in our body? Movement of diaphragm. The earthworm respiration occurs through, what is the type of respiration in earthworm? Cutaneous respiration. So which organ is involved? Skin. Which of the following animals breathe through their skin and lungs? Amphibian, like a frog, respire through skin. What is the organ of respiration in fish? Gills. What is the organ of respiration in snake? Lungs. What is the organ of respiration in earthworm? Skin. But here the question is, which respires through skin as well as lungs? That is frog. That's why read question, understand and then answer. What will happen when diaphragm relaxes and curves upward? What happens when the diaphragm moves upwards? air is forced out of the lungs. Diaphragm moves upwards means relaxes, go to normal position. So the chest cavity decreases, so air pushes outside. Next, what is the function of the hair in the nose? Very important function. They acts like filters. Okay, so to trap the dust particles, the hair in the nose are useful. Which of these are the organs of human respiratory system? Trachea, bronchus, alveoli. Okay, human respiratory system consists of nostrils or external nostrils, nasal cavity, then pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, lungs, alveoli. This is the path through which the air enters inside, and reverse, the air comes outside. So here trachea, bronchus and alveolus are given. So D is the right option. In glycolysis, the end product is, if you remember the definition, you can answer this question. The process of conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid. So glucose is converted to pyruvic acid. Lime water turns milky due to the presence of which of the following gases? The property of converting lime water milky is the carbon dioxide. Here wrongly given. So this is wrong. So correct answer is carbon dioxide, B. Identify X in the given equation of aerobic respiration. Glucose plus X gives rise to CO2 plus H2O plus energy. Here X represent which? Water, oxygen, ethanol or nitrogen. It is oxygen, B. Which organism is described in the information given below? So this kind of question is analytical approach type questions which carry 4 marks. So here the description like respire anaerobically, used to make wine, reproduced by budding. These are all the characteristic feature of yeast. Which of the following diagram correctly illustrates the passage of oxygen in the respiratory system? Just now we have discussed. Okay, what is that? Nose, windpipe or trachea, lungs, blood. Okay, exchange of gases takes place in the alveolus, in the blood capillaries, blood. Which of the following animal breathe through their skin and lungs? So already completed. Frog. Cellular respiration. Cell respiration is carried out by which cell organelle? It is the mitochondria, which involves in the cellular respiration. That's why the cell mitochondria are called powerhouses of the cell. The energy is produced in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. So hence they are called powerhouses of the cell. Which one can respire in the absence of oxygen? Seeds, leaves, stem, root. Here seeds, a little anaerobic respiration takes place. But when you soak the seeds in water and tie in a cloth, sprouts are produced. In the sprouts, aerobic respiration takes place because enzymes get activated. Okay. What happens when we breathe in? When we breathe in, the size of our chest cavity increases, and also air enters our lungs. These kind of questions are called multi-correct answers. Carries 4 marks. Means 2 options you have to select. Which of the following organs are the parts of human respiratory system? This is also multi-correct. So nostrils, windpipe, lungs. Okay, pharynx is also, it is a common junction for respiration and digestion. So here the parts of human respiratory system are asked. Respiratory pores present on the plant body. What are the respiratory pores? They are nothing but lenticels, stomata, okay, through which the air enters into the plant body. Stomata are present in leaves, young stems, roots, buds. They are present in the leaves, no doubt, and also in the young stems. Okay, multi-correct answers. Which of these organisms undergo anaerobic respiration? Here bacteria, yeast, virus and algae are given. So here bacteria undergo anaerobic respiration and yeast undergo aerobic respiration. Anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen. Assertion and reasoning. Assertion: in insects, a system of air tubes called trachea for respiratory system. Yes. Reason: exchange through body systems is not possible in insects. Yes. Both are correct, and the R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, children. So keep reading the books. Your regular textbook also, the respiration in organisms is given. You read, clarify your doubts with the teachers. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.